Well, this is the first vertical video I've done. It'll be interesting to see how it works out. This bike is ready for a test ride, and Kevin's going to do that. We're going to talk for a moment on something that is controversial, and I expect pushback. I expect comments saying that don't agree, and that's okay. Starting a bike on a side stand. I bought my Norton new in 1974, and up until just a few years ago, I kick-started it because on the side stand. I'm not big enough to hold it up and kick-start it at the same time, and putting it on the center stand was always a strain because, once again, I'm not a big guy, so I always kick-started the bike on the side stand. I put an Alton self-starter on it a few years ago, so I don't do that anymore, but I developed what I consider to be a good way to kick-start a bike on the side stand. Okay, first of all, I'm going to make Kevin demonstrate this. All right, standing next to the bike, you go ahead and you straddle the bike, but you leave your left foot on the ground. Okay? You do a little tickling over there. The bike is now tickled, and I am amused. Okay. Leaving all your weight on your left foot. Not on the peg, on the ground. All your weight's on your left foot. When he kicks down on the Kickstarter, he's going to lift straight up and go vertical over the Kickstarter, come down so that the weight of his body is actually lifting the bike off of the side stand, not pressing down on it. So he's going to go straight up and then kick the bike and see how it goes. That's a good kick, and did you see the bike didn't go towards the kickstand? And we're going to have a two kicker. Ooh, kick back. All right, well, that's the end of the demonstration. Basically, I've kick-started bikes on side stands all my life by doing it so that the weight never goes on the kickstand. That's just for the heck of it, folks. Comment if you will. Here we go. We're going to go do a test ride.